Hey, what's up guys, it's Gautam here from TechLancer. So in this video we are going to see the unboxing as well as the review of the boAt 162. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I bought this product from Amazon. The link is down in the description below. So the box seems so colorful and there are so many things written in this box, and it's here written it's boAt 162, the model number of this earphone. So backside of the box you can find so many details. It's mentioned Super Extraa Bass. So now let's open this box and see what all we get. So here at the start you can see the earphone itself. So from the first impression you can see it's a braided cable at the bottom and you can see a rubber cable at the top, and you also have been given some additional ear tips, so that is also a good thing. And you can also see from you can see some user manual also is given, and also a warranty card that's provided with that. So if you want, you just read the user manual. Let us keep us aside and let's see what else is there. So the ear tip seems to be, it's very lightweight and it's made up of plastic, so and it also looks like a matte finished look. And at the top I said there's a rubber finish. At the bottom it's a braided cable, so it doesn't tangle much, so that is also a good sign. And you also find some additional ear tips, so which is one is small and the other one is bigger in size. And the 3.5mm jack is gold plated and also is angled, and it's also very good in shape. Also you can find a mic as well as single power button where you can attend the calls and change your music. So if additional buttons have given, it would be a great. And fitting the earbuds into your ears is very simple and is also very comfortable. It doesn't come out of your ears very often. Also coming to the sound, the bass is not that punchy, but anyways the bass is there. So let's see how about in full review. I hope you guys have seen the unboxing of the boAt 162. Now let's come to the review of this boAt 162. So here I have the boAt 162. The best thing about this boAt 162 is that the braided cable over here. So I love this braided cables, and the possibility of getting damaged of these cables is really very less. And as I said in the unboxing, at the top you can find the rubber cable, at the bottom you can find this braided cable, and also you have this angled 3.5mm jack, which makes it very secure, and also it's very sturdy when you fit into any of your mobiles, and it's also compact with even iOS devices. So that is one of the best things. And also coming to the music part, so that is where this lags a little bit. So as they mention in the box, it's written as Super Extraa Bass, so that's where it lags. But I do not say that it is not having bass at all, but there is bass, but there is not that punchy bass that we expect. So that is missing in this particular boAt 162. And I think there is better options also for this. Like you can go to your equalizer which is available in your, by which you can set different kinds of options, and you can try out which suits which music gets the correct of the bass, so that you can set that part in your equalizer. And if not, you can also try certain third-party bass applications which will really increase the bass for this boAt 162 as well. So other than that, I do not find any complaints in this boAt 162. I think this is one of the best budget earphones that is available in the boAt under 500 rupees. So the cost of this boAt 162 is 450 rupees piece. The link is down in the description below. If you want to get it, you can buy it from there. It will help our channel also. So hope you guys like the unboxing as well as the review. If you have any questions, post your questions below down so that I could answer all your questions. With that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.